Reload that page. Reload. Severe weather coverage. Reload that page. Reload. Hello. Severe weather coverage. Reload that page. Reload. Hello. Hello. Severe weather coverage. Reload that page. Reload. Hello. Hello. Severe weather coverage. Reload that page. Reload. Hello. Hello. Severe weather coverage. Reload that page. Reload. Hello. Hello. Severe weather coverage. Hello. Reload that page. Reload. Hello. Hello. Severe weather coverage. Hello. 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 What the? Hello. Hello. All right. Can you guys hear me? Hello. 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 Alrighty. Can you guys hear me? Hello. Hello. All right. Can you guys hear me? Hello. 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 Alrighty. Can you guys hear me? Hello. I don't know why it's doing this. I'm kind of fuzzled. What the? Wait, can you hear anything now?
Wait, hold on. Wait, say something on it.
Hello? Hello, hello? Hello? Hello?
Wait, I can't tell. Oh, wait, yeah, we can now.
What are you hearing?
It's like, if you talk on the phone to me, listen.
Oh, okay. Wait, so it's working now?
Yeah, it is.
Wait, now it's doing repeat again. What the?
No, I hear, it's not repeating on mine.
It's not?
No.
Oh, so it's not repeating now?
Yeah. I can hear myself talking on the phone through the computer.
But it's not repeating.
No, it's not.
Okay, that's good. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye.
All right. Hello, people. My name is Ryan. Today we're going to be covering our severe storms we're having here in the central portions of the United States. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 severe thunderstorm warnings right now. Most of them are going to be in Oklahoma, Kansas, those areas. Today we are using GR2 Analyst and Radar Scope, two very nice radars. The sorry. Oh no. All right, let's take a look at these cells or severe warning storms here in Oklahoma first. Got a lot of them here. 3 in Oklahoma, looks like. 1, 2, 3. Looks like there's 3 in Oklahoma. Oh, wait, that's not Oklahoma. This is Oklahoma. So here's the cell we're going to look at. Oh, wait, radar hole. I don't like that. All right. Here is why they have this severe warning. Let's see why they have it. Severe warning. Let's see if they have rotation on any of these storms here. Nope, none on that one. There might be a tiny bit. So here you're going to be able to see. This is going to be composite reflectivity. This is going to be ZDR, I believe. Nope, that's CC. Wait. Yeah, that's correlation coefficient. So here we're going to see. So say there's a tornado on the ground. On coefficient correlation, we're going to see. That's where we're going to see if there's a tornado on the ground. We're going to see the debris balls there. For the like if there's a tornado on the ground, we'll see the debris ball, and then sorry, I changed it. This is supposed to be ZDR. And then here we're going to have our base velocity. So this is where we're going to see rotation in the storms. There might be a tiny couplet right there. But the cool thing with GR2 is we can actually press this tool and put it into 3D. So now we have that storm in 3D here. Take a look at it. Oh, wait. My apologies. Look at that storm in 3D. We can see the structure of the storm here. I'll probably use this throughout the night as these storms begin to fire up even more and more. So there might be a tiny couplet there because you can see if you zoom in, there's that little inflow notch there, and you've got that red that's moving away from the radar going into the green that's moving towards the radar. So that's that can indicate rotation sometimes, not all the time. As you can see, we got a new scan. Oh, wrong tool. We got a new scan, so it's falling apart. It's not as defined as it just was. These storms over here, they are severe warned for western Franklin County and east central Kansas. These are going to be severe thunderstorm warned for 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. You can see that's probably where the hail's coming from in that hail core there. And then if we take a look up here, let me switch radars. One sec, give it a second to upload this data. What part of Oklahoma? Let me take a look there. For Oklahoma, you can always check down here, just so you know. This is where the warnings will be. If you ever need me to scroll down, I can. These two severe weather warned cells in Oklahoma are going to be Jackson, Tillman, Hardman, Wilberger, Barger, something like that. I don't know how to pronounce it. Alpha, I don't know how to pronounce that one. Garfield and Grant. Those are going to be your two Oklahoma warnings. If you ever want me to look at a storm, I can move over to that storm and check it out. Here, these storms, that one is not doing anything. It looked like it might be. This storm might have a little bit of a inflow notch right there. This storm's going to have 0.85-inch hail on it. And then if we take a look, I think. Oh, wait, some down here. Let me take a look at these. All right, we have one almost in Oklahoma. I think they're counting it as in Oklahoma. Here, this one. I think we looked at this one already. Yeah, we looked at that one already. That one's not worrying me anymore because it's all falling apart pretty much. All right, now if we go down, wait, these storms here, this one means it has over an inch of hail, or inch-size hail. So here in these storms, Medicine Lodge area, leaving Oklahoma near the Cherokee area into Kansas, near Medicine Lodge, places like that, you're gonna have 1.5-inch hail and 1.11-inch hail moving in towards your area. So stay safe with that. Any new warnings? I think something just popped up. Nope. All right, and then we're gonna take a look at this one. I'm gonna run into a radar hole if I hit that. Nope, wrong thing. All right, now we wait for this data to load. And then we also have this radar over here. This is going to be this is called Radar Scope. You can get it on your phone for $10. It's a great radar. Pretty easy to use. Pretty easy to explain. Also, this storm here might be trying to do something down there. Let's see. Yeah, you can kind of see that red going in and that green going away. But it is open over there. It might, if it does try to do something, it's going to end up wrapping around like that a little more. Then we might need to be a little more worried about that. As you can see, we have our cells. Let's switch to KDYX. Give me a second here while these radars switch. Any questions from anybody at this point? Any questions in the chat? All right, no questions. Sounds good. One sec. Go there. All right, no questions. Everybody good? All right. As you can see, we have these storms. These storms are starting. So these storms are starting to pop up in Texas now. you could see here these storms all in this area are popping up. But these storms here are going to, if those strengthen up, they could become supercells and do some damage. But as we go into the night, these storms are going to kind of form up into a line, and then move through, and they're going to hit the boot tomorrow. It's not going to be good. There is an enhanced risk for that. And then if you take a look here, these storm cells are popping up. Those are going to move into Oklahoma here shortly. And then these, around 9 o'clock Central Daylight Time, we're going to have some storms start popping up down here that are going to head for the Dallas area. The main threat for the Dallas area and most of Maine, Oklahoma, like Oklahoma City, those big places, Oklahoma, your main threat's going to be here around 11, 12, 1 at night is when you're probably going to get the main severe weather for this outbreak. If you know anybody that's down in the boot, down in Alabama area, make sure to let them know that this weather is coming for them. It will... it's never a good thing to have to say this, but at this point, it's probably not going to be too good. They've got a 15% chance for EF2 or stronger tornadoes. They've got 45% chance for winds in excess of 70 knots. It'll probably go up from a 45% chance to a 60% chance, which hasn't happened. Fun fact, it hasn't happened since 2013. It happened up in the east portions of the United States. But if we take a look here now, let's check out these storms that are severe warned. No extensions that I could see right now. Might be... Oh, wait, there's 3 in Oklahoma. Well, new one. Let's see. Let's take a look here. Oh, no, I'm pretty sure we might run into a radar hole trying to look at this one right here. No, wow, not a big radar hole. Surprising. Here, this one. It might be trying to do something around there. I doubt it. We'll be able to pull it together. It does have almost 2-inch hail in it. 2-inch size hail. Let's see here. That's not doing anything. Let's put this storm in 3D just because it has 1-inch hail. Let's see what you're going to do here. Boom. All right, that storm is built. Oh, yep, you can see that core right there. That hail core. We just got a new scan. We'll take a look at that here shortly. You can see the hail core right in there. That's where the hail is going to be coming from, that pink. Right in there. Oh, yep. Alrighty. Hold on. Oh. Interesting. But yeah, you're gonna see that right there. One sec. Alright, yeah, you're gonna have that hail core right there. This cloud is actually really tall. That's where your hail core is gonna be. Let's see. We've got a size update still. 2 inches. Oh, storm that just went into Kansas. That one I was telling you, Medicine Lodge. That storm is now going to have excess of 2-inch hail. If you're in the Medicine Lodge area, the Sharon area, those places, you need to stay weather aware. Make sure you are watching the weather as these storms are bringing 2-inch hail to you. This can damage cars, damage your roofs, blow out windows. So make sure to stay away from all windows in your house when this hail comes through. We might have something, this inflow notch right here, this couplet. It's not all that big of a couplet. It's not too worrying right now. That's not anything. That's not anything. knock on wood, we've had no tornadoes tonight. So far, no tornado warnings. Here, this one, it's got some hail in it. And then here, there's no storm in there. Oh, well, that one's probably going to get extended here shortly. These storms are moving into there, into Orange City area. Those storms are not too bad from a rotation and tornadic standpoint. Does anybody have any questions here in the chat that I could answer? And please remember to like and subscribe so we can get this video to more and more people. Feel free to share it on social media so we could get more and more people watching so that we could potentially save lives. Give me a second here shortly. We're going into an intermission. I will be back in about 1 to 2 minutes. Alrighty, we're back. Let's get back into this this storm here. As I first take a look at it, I thought I might have seen rotation on it, but that is not a hook or a couplet there. Nope, that's not gonna do anything. 2-inch hail coming into Kansas. That storm just went severe thunderstorm warn. We might have a couplet here. There you can see that couplet. That is going to be moving towards the Zendaya area, Spivey, Nashville, Medicine Lodge. It's not going to hit you. Sharon, you're going to take a direct hit here very shortly. Please watch your weather. Be careful there. Any new warnings here in Oklahoma? Still good on that one. Alright, these storms up here. Nothing too concerning on our base velocity right now. Okay, Kansas, Jefferson County. I repeat, Jefferson County. This is going to include Winchester, Oskaloosa, those areas. You guys have a tornado warning at this point in time. I repeat, you guys have a tornado warning. Please take shelter immediately. Go to the nearest interior room of your building. Put pillows over your heads. Put mattress over your head. Blankets. Anything you can. Put your helmets on. Make sure you have shoes. Make sure you have flashlights. Make sure you have a plan. I repeat, go into the most interior room in your house. This storm is tornado warned and is coming towards you. This is going to be the first tornado warning of the night. This is going to be that is the storm. Wait, that's a radar hole. 1 second. My apologies. I can't find the rotation on this. That's why I'm confuzzled. This is going to be the National Weather Service tornado warning. Severe thunderstorm warning. Thunderstorm capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage. Were located along a line extending from 4 miles southeast of Valley Falls. I repeat, Valley Falls. Tornadoes, and this is radar indicated rotation. Yep, there's going to be radar indicated rotation there. No CC drop at this time, no debris ball. I don't believe there's going to be a tornado on the ground at this point in time. Let me see what my weather service is saying. As this goes into later parts of the night, these storms are going to become more and more dangerous because it's going to be nighttime and people aren't going to really see them, be awake. As I'm watching these new scans come in very quickly, you can see that inflow notch right there. I think that's what they're talking about. Or up here, there might be a rotation there. There's also there's going to be straight line damaging winds in here. Please share this with other people. Like it. Subscribe so that we could get this out to more and more people to save lives. I will be right back after this intermission. All right, guys, I'm back. That rotation is going to be in the upper parts of that tornado warning. I don't know why the tornado warning's not extended farther upwards at this time. We are going to be going into a 10 to 12-minute intermission here shortly. I'll be back shortly. All right, guys, I am back. So we are gonna have two extensions of this tornado warning. We're gonna have one that extended into Easton, Lowemont, Leavenworth, those areas. We're going to have one that extended over into Potter, Cummings, places like those. You guys, if you're in those areas, please get in your safe place. As these storms are capable of producing a tornado. We're going to have 3 tornado warnings at this time, all in the same place. Hey, Sean's here. Let's go. Okay, I'm happy now. Yeah, I'm happy. So these warnings here, you can see the this is going to be our base reflectivity. So this is going to be our velocities here. Did I say base reflectivity? I meant base velocity. But it you can kind of see that rotation there. It's pretty simple to see from the you wouldn't necessarily see it. Well, let's look on radar scope here. Let's check out Kansas and take a look here. Let's see. 13 warnings, tornado. All right, now that we're on a way. Hold on. One sec, I need to put this storm in 3D. We need to take a look at this storm in 3D here. Does anybody have any questions that I could answer? Let's see here. Yep, that is a storm, I can tell you that. We have 5 viewers, guys. Oh, wait, now we've got 4. Please like this video, subscribe. Feel free to share it on social media. The more people we get this out to, the more lives we could save, so that more people are aware here. So, one second here. All right. So these storms, yes, we have 3 tornado warnings at this point. You can see this tornado track. I don't think there's a tornado on the ground. Let's see. Let's look at our correlation coefficient here. Let's see if there is a CC drop or a debris ball. At this time, I don't see any debris balls. Also, over here in Meridian, your guys are going to have a train spotter. He's going to have seen 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts. I like lightning too. The storms here in Texas are going to be here around 12 o'clock. Those times. The main threat for those storms here in Texas are going to be. Yes, rain is wet. These storms are going to be the main threat in Texas. The storms are going to be. That's going to be large hail and straight line damaging winds. The tornado outlook is not all that. People aren't really concerned about that for Texas. But after doing my own research, I feel like there might be some spin ups here in the Texas area. Does anybody have any questions while we wait for things to update here? Wait for a new scan. Any questions I could answer? No? No questions? Nobody has a question? All right, that's fine. Let's see here. If we are going to have some pretty cool footage to upload every day or tomorrow, because I'm going to film the storms from where I am. We are going to have a possible. Wait, hold on. I forgot what I was saying. I drew a blank. What time do you think the DFW area will start to get storms? The DFW area, well, it's probably going to start around 12, because the storms in Texas are probably going to start firing up around 10:30 10:30. And they'll start moving in around there. They should probably get here around here in the DFW area around 11. Oh, one sec. Sorry. One of our tornado warnings got canceled here. That far one in the back. These extensions are still staying. No new rotation I see here. Let me continue with your question. The DFW area will probably get the storms around 12 to like 3 in the morning. These storms, the main threat here is going to be straight line damaging winds, excess of 60 miles an hour, and hail, which as we've seen so far at the beginning of this outbreak, actually I should say, this is only the beginning that we're seeing now. It's going to be, I mean, we've seen up to 3-inch hail from just the beginning of the storm, so I wouldn't be surprised if the DFW area got 2-inch to 3-inch hail. That wouldn't be super surprising. As far as tornadoes go, there will probably be a couple tornado warnings here and there. I think there might be 1 or 2 actual spin-ups. I don't think the tornado risk is too high, but I think people are under-hyping it, if that's the right thing to say. People are under-hyping it and not giving it enough information, but I believe that there could be and might be a couple spin-ups and tornadoes, just going off my data that I've collected. Sorry. Things have happened. We have a lot of, let's see. Any other questions that I could answer here? Most of the severe weather right now is going to be in Kansas. We're going to have 1 severe weather warning in Oklahoma. It's going to be right here. It's going to be this one. In Burlington, Capron. Those areas. Now we got to wait for KVNX to load. There we go. This storm's going to have 1-inch hail with it. Sorry, one sec. All right. Going to have 1-inch hail in it at this point. Here, there's going to be no rotation or concerning bits of it. That severe thunderstorm warning was just extended for the storm because it's moving that way rather than that way. For some reason, it's being weird. This new warning is going to go all the way out to Sand Creek, Manchester, Waukeeta. It's going to be part of Byron areas of those such. It's where this storm's going to be. It's going to be moving east at 40 miles an hour and ping pong ball sized hail and 60 plus mile an hour wind gusts. Give me a second here. I'm going to check if any storm chasers are live right now. No one new at this time. Let me check my radar that I have here on my phone. All right, let's go back and take a look at those tornado warnings. Any questions here that I could answer for you guys, keep you guys more informed on weather so that stay safe. So that you can stay safe, I should say. There's going to be a radar hole right there, and I don't like that. Hold on, what radar did I go on? Did I go on MCI? Oops, wrong one. My apologies. There's still going to be public sources and train spotters that are seeing 60 mile an hour wind gusts out behind these tornado warnings right now. Let's switch to this radar. Any questions? Oh, 1 second. I need to take an intermission here so that I can have more time on my computer. I'll be right back. Oh, I forgot to mute myself. I'm back. My apologies for everything you guys heard. Sorry, I did a lot of running there. This tornado warning, there's only gonna be one now. Sorry, one sec, let me catch my breath. Any questions that I could answer here? Anybody have any questions that I could let you know about? All right. Oh, wait, my apologies. I need to switch back to the right scene. All right, this tornado warning here, you can see it here, extending out to TMCI radar. Nobody knows what that means, but that right there, Camden Point, I believe, Dearborn, Plate City, Tracy, Weston, Beverly, places like those. Get in your shelter. You guys have a tornado warning coming towards you. At this point, I see no correlation coefficient drop, so there's, at this point in time, I don't believe there's a tornado on the ground because I don't see a debris ball at this point in time. Now, does anyone have any questions here that I could answer for you? Just, new tornado warning here. Hold on, guys. And this line here is blowing up. This line. So, as I was saying earlier, the tornado threat isn't really hyped for the Texas area today, but there's gonna be a lot of line storms today, like we're looking at right now here, where there have been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tornado warnings on here, and it's just a line, and that's what DFW area Texas is supposed to get. So that's why I believe, that's part of the reason I believe that there's going to be some tornadoes here in the DFW Texas area, towards the more populated areas because of this. Yes, there's gonna be some rotation here. I don't see, that's a little bit of rotation there. All right, give me 1 second here. I'm not gonna leave. I'm just gonna wait a little bit here. See if any storm chasers are chasing. No storm chasers are live right now. Let me check one more thing. Sorry about that. I've got a stuffy nose. Stuffy nose, stuffy nose, stuffy nose. All right. Let me text one. All right, I am back. If you could see down here, there's this slideshow that I kind of made. Slight risk. Wait, you guys can't really read it. I can see that. My apologies about that. It pretty much says where this slight risk, enhanced risk, for severe weather today is pretty much what it goes on about. Are there Any questions? 1 sec, let me do this. All right, there is a poll in the chat now. Answer truthfully. How will you answer is the question. Will you be honest or will you lie? Let's see, there's a poll in the chat. Please read it. Please vote on it. The more likes, the more subscribers we get, the more we get this out to more and more people, potentially saving lives. Yeah, I don't want to do this right now. Docs, chat. You guys are kidding me. Nobody's voting on the poll here. Fine, I'll close the poll. Alright, end poll. Let's see here. That tornado warning, I think we just got a new scan here. Yep, you've still got that rotation there. Give me 1 second. Poll complete to watch. Alrighty here. Hold on. Ratio, bad word. Alright, these tornado warnings are not interesting to me, at least. I'm not finding anything interesting with them there. No. Let's see what we have down in these areas of Oklahoma. 2 tornado warnings in Oklahoma. The rest are going to be in Kansas. Everything's happening in Kansas right now. Oh, it won't let you vote? Oh, wait, it won't let you vote because I ended the poll. Let me remake it. Are you subscribed? Ask my community. Alright. The poll should be up. There we go. Now you can vote. If we take a look here on Radar Scope, take a look at our storms here. Oh, you guys can, at least on my screen, you can kind of see the rotation thing. An enhanced risk has been issued for the following areas: Austin, Springfield, Tyler, Round Rock. Follow us on Twitter at Twister Hunters. Remember to like and subscribe to get this video to more and more people. A slight risk has been issued for Dallas, Fort Worth, Oklahoma, Kansas City, Omaha. Let's take a look at these storms over here. Ah, this storm. Yep, I like this storm. This storm is going to bring you straight line damaging winds here. It's got almost 1.5 inch size hail. Let's see. It's got 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail in it. Let's take a look down here in Texas. We haven't checked down here in a while. Let's take a look at KDYX. Yes, vote. We have a vote. I like that vote. End poll. I am ending the poll here. How many people are watching? We've got 2 watching for me, at least. That's what it shows. if you like this video, if you share this video, if you subscribe to the channel, this video gets out to more and more people, saves more lives, saves people. You never know what it could do. It's free. All you gotta do is press that button down there, big red button. Hit it. Like the video. We have 3 watchers now. Does anybody have any questions? Any questions that I could answer? Any questions? All right, here I'm going to make. Wait, Jenna, are you still there? Jenna, are you still there? Say yes in chat if you are still there. If anyone's still here, say yes in chat, please. Helps me let me know how many people are here. Let's take a look at these tornado warned cells now. I'm gonna wait for that data to come in here so that we can take a look at it. Let's see. Alright, here's our data. Let's look at correlation coefficient. Yes, I'm still here. Alright, guess what? You are going to be a chat moderator because I know you in real life and I trust you. You are a moderator now. You can now moderate people when my channel gets giant. You'll be able to moderate people, make sure that everything stays in check. People are actually taking things seriously and not just goofing around. Because weather is not something that you should play around with. Weather can hurt you, kill you, injure you. All of the above. Weather can be horrible. Alright, let's continue looking at these warnings here. Still nothing too concerning from my point of view. I don't see a CC drop. Oh, one warning was canceled for Kansas. Which one was canceled? Alright, it was that one that was canceled, I think. KAX. Alrighty here. Alright. We're still gonna have this big one. It'll expire here in about 15 minutes. Our video will expire. Or that warning will expire, not video, sorry. Let's take a look here. Alrighty here. Let's take a look. 1-inch hail by a train spotter in Osage, Kansas. this point, let's take a look at Oklahoma. Here, let's see. Oklahoma City. We're looking for Oklahoma City. OKC. Alright, OKC, load up here for me. Alright. Here is going to be the OKC area right now. All these storms are... Hold on. I'm seeing different things from both my radars. Let me take a look here. What the... Oh, wait. KTLX. Now, let's take a look. Alright, these storms are going to start heading into Oklahoma, parts of Oklahoma now. Moving into... Yep, these storms down here are going to... Actually, I'm kind of interested with that storm right there. Let's see here. Oh, that one. I like it. Yeah, looking like that. What you made me do. Look what you made me do. At this point in time, I believe they're going to let this warning here expire rather than hold itself together there. Oh, that looks better. I like that more. Wait, what do I hear? Wait, what is that? Is that the radars? Hold on. What is that? Oh, wait. Oh. Alright. Ooh, which one do you like better? Do you like it like this? Or do you like it like that? Yeah, I like it like that. Alrighty here. That tornado warning has been extended here. Let's take a look at it. That tornado warning at this time. Wait. Oh, the tornado warning has been canceled at this point in time. Severe weather statement. The tornado warning for Northeast is canceled. Prompted the warning has moved out of the water, therefore the warning has been canceled. Severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until midnight CDT for northeastern Kansas and northwest Missouri. Alrighty. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Yeah, that might try to do something right there. But I don't know for sure. Alright, somebody in chat give me a place to go look at for storms. Somewhere in this area that's getting hit by storms. Oklahoma, I can look pretty much anywhere in these places where they're getting hit by storms. Let me know, let me know, let me know. Stop. What does studio mode do? Quick transition. Hold on, what? I'm confused. Someone give me, look at OKC. Alright, looking at OKC here. Oklahoma City. It's gonna be KTLX. It's gonna be the main area here. Alrighty. Right now, these storms are gonna be tracking in. Right now, these storms don't look too severe from that standpoint, but they are gonna be tracking into Oklahoma, and then you're gonna have some storms firing up down in this area that are going to move into the Oklahoma area. Alrighty, 1 second here. Ba 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 boo. Ba da boom. Bum 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 bum. Ba da ba 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 bum ba da bum ba da 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 da. Ba da ba. Na 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 na. Na na na. Na 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 na. Na na na. Na 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 na. There is me. We are live. And I am streaming. Any questions that I could answer here? I'm so confused right now because this said this is expired. Oh, wait, here it is. Radar indicated rotation. Yes, there's still radar indicated rotation there. Still, let's remove this. Yes, all right, now you can see everything again. Let's see, let's hop onto there. Alrighty here, guys. Alright, let's look at our rotation here on this storm. Let's take a look at this warning over here too. Only one watcher now. Alrighty, one viewer. That is okay. I mean, okay. Gotta start off somewhere, am I right? Got the rotation right there. Alrighty. Alrighty. Thank you everyone for watching. I'm gonna end the stream here. We're probably gonna be streaming again here in like 20 minutes. I'll be back in 20 minutes. I just gotta go do a couple things. And I don't think it would be good if I just set intermission. 1 sec. Here, I'll just do this. Let me edit my text here. Edit. Oh, no, wrong way. Edit, 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 edit. Edit. I need to edit properties. Alright, we'll be right back. 20 minutes. Alright, here, this is what we'll make this. We'll make this a water break. Go get some water, go get some food. We'll be right back at it here shortly, 20 minutes. Alrighty, guys, I am back. Let's see what is happening here on TIS radar. All warnings are in different states, I can tell you that. One in Missouri, one in Kansas, and one. Hold on. One sec, my apologies. Hold on, I need to reopen my GR2. Give me a sec here. GR. Sorry, here GR2 is loading back up. Site TDF Alright, let's see what we have going on. Let's see, one. Alright, am I not going to get my correlation coefficient? No. My brain hurts right now. I don't like this. You need to give me my data. What the? Alright, does anybody have any questions here I can answer? Let you guys know upon. Nobody gives a shit, Nate. Alright. Let's see here. One second, guys. Alrighty, guys, I am back. Sorry about that. 1 second. Alrighty, guys, we have a severe thunderstorm warning here in Texas. This cell is probably going to be one of the cells that heads towards the DFW area. Let's see here. Let's look at our thing. This storm is going to have almost an inch of hail. This storm is going to track on its way to North Texas. This storm is moving east. It's moving east at. This storm might be one of the ones that hits the Dallas area, but we don't know for sure. New scan. Yay, you're back. Let's go. Alrighty. These storms are the ones that are gonna hit DFW. Does anybody have any questions I can answer? For the DFW area, I know nobody asked yet, but the DFW area, storms are going to be here around 12 o'clock. Let me take a look. And severe weather. Nope, wrong thing. Any questions I could answer? Alrighty, give me 1 second. Here, let me do a couple things. I'm going to check the times for these storms coming into the DFW area. Make sure I'm getting you right information, not wrong information, not false information. Alrighty, here. Let's take a look into tomorrow, or 12 o'clock. Alrighty. Yep, it'll be here around 12 o'clock and it'll go until around 3 a.m. in the morning. Oh no, my thing's lagging. Thingy's lagging. Alright, at this point we have 4 severe thunderstorm warning storms. We'll take a look at each one. Take a look at this one down here. We've looked at this one once. Let me check my Wi-Fi. My Wi-Fi's good. Alrighty, if this will just load here already. Load, please, load. Alrighty, in this storm here, nothing too significant that from my concerns. We'll put it into 3D here. See what it looks like. Alrighty, it's gonna be a tall storm there. You can see your hail core in there and all along in there. Alrighty, now if we take a look at our Missouri storm cell here, let's take a look. Wait for it to load here. There we go. And there's a radar hole. My apologies. Let me change radar so I can get rid of that whole radar hole. Let's go there. Alrighty. Now we wait for that to load and we can take a look at this severe thunderstorm right there. Alrighty here. There's gonna be no rotation in this storm that I see. Just right now we're checking for rotation in these storms. Alrighty, let's check on this one. Public and train spotters have reported 1-inch hail and 60-mile-an-hour plus wind gusts in this severe storm near Mayfield, Kansas, Conway Springs, Danville, those places. Right now, just looking at base reflectivity and base velocity. I don't see anything too concerning about this one right now. But if you take a look right, actually, right there, that might be something trying to do something right there if that closes up. And then we'll take a look at Oklahoma here. Wait for that to load. We'll go on KTLX. Alright, here is this storm here. Right now, there's going to be a couplet right there. Or an inflow notch, I could say. Actually, that's going to be an inflow notch there. Oh, yeah, that might try to produce something. Let's put that into 3D. Take a look there. Alrighty, that is a ginormous storm. Alrighty, here we go. Tornado warning. Caldwell. Oh, wow, I didn't see anything in this storm. Caldwell, Davis's decal, but you've probably got the alert on your phone. If you are in this tornado warning or you're in the path of this tornado warning, please take shelter immediately. I repeat, immediately. These storms could be strong, dangerous. Radar indicated rotation at this point in time. No confirmed rotation. Or no confirmed on the ground sightings. If you're in Kidder, Winston, Almont, Gallatin, Jameson, those places, you need to take shelter immediately. The storm is headed for you right now. If you are in Jamesport, I suggest you stay weather aware. Trenton, Brimson, Tyndale, all those places. Stay weather aware. The storm is headed towards you. This storm has had a tornado warning on it and could end up producing another one. Alrighty. Okay. We just got a new update from the National Weather Service. It's going to be a NOAA watches and warnings. Take a look at that there. Alrighty. Yeah, I think a new severe thunderstorm watch just got issued for parts of Texas. Let's take a look. Sorry. We do have a Discord server. I will put the link in the chat right now. Invite people. Copied and place it. Alright, the Discord link is in the chat. If you would like to join, feel free to. Let's see here. Alrighty, let's take a look at this watches and warnings. Alrighty, give me a second here. I apologize about that. Alrighty, let me look at one more thing here really quick. Sorry about that. Alrighty, there is a tornado watch out for parts of Texas. I will get you those locations here very shortly. Let me Alright, there everywhere west of the DFW area is going to be under a severe thunderstorm watch at this point in time. The DFW area will probably end up going under a watch here later in the night. Now as we take a look back at this tornado warning we have, I still don't see any rotation from my point of view. I don't see any rotation on that storm. They just extended it, I believe. That storm has been extended. I still don't see the rotation, but I'm not the radarist or whatever you call it. Let's take a look here. Don't need that. Don't need that. Not that. Not that. Close that. Close that. Give me a sec here. Let's see. Yeah, that severe thunderstorm warning is going to be in effect until later. Alrighty, let's see. I'm getting a... Alright. I don't feel like I'm getting an accurate reading off of this, but whatever. That storm... Oh. I've got rotation. We've got rotation, Lebo, Hatbird, Neutron, Hull Summit. You guys have rotation near you. Threshold is going to be... Yep, there is rotation there. I kind of like that. Yep, I like that. One sec. Give me a sec. I got to post that in one of the servers I'm in. Snipping tool. Give me 1 second here, guys. I just got to get this information out to one of colleagues here. All right, save that. Alrighty, let's continue taking a look here. Oh, a video just came in. Let me take a look here at this video before showing it on the interweb. Alrighty. We have been streaming for 2 hours now. This storm is really trying to pull it together there. I kinda like it. Alright, let's see. Not Instagram, but YouTube. Alrighty, does anybody have any places you want me to check while we watch this rotation? That's right there. That should be Tornado 1, but I don't know why they have that one Tornado 1. It's kind of making me mad, but whatever. YouTube, up to 3. 1 sec here. Let me just do something here shortly. Alright, we're still gonna watch this rotation because I'm liking that storm right there. Storm's starting to wrap around there and I'm starting to like it there. Alright, let's see. New scan. Still rotating. I still like it. Alrighty. Right. Take this. Here, give me a sec. Delete. Alright, videos. Yep, alright. Perfect. Alright, now we go to Twitter. Let's take a look at Twitter here quickly. I apologize about this, guys. Just watching this rotation here. As you can see, that and flow. You can see that rotation there starting to wrap around with that green and that red there. Where that red or right where that green rotation circle kind of thingy is. That's where you're going to see a tornado. Tornado, 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 nado, tornado, tornado. Woo. Alrighty. Give me a second and here. I apologize about out this. This is all my fault. I'm sorry. Alrighty here, people. I just got pinged. Alright, that rotation is starting to dissipate there. Alright, one sec, let me finish this new integration. Alrighty, ready. Hey, we still have 2 viewers. I'm kind of happy about that. There is tornado warning or not tornado warning. Sorry. I should not be saying that on accident. No tornado warning in Oklahoma, okay? No tornado warning in Oklahoma. I apologize for saying that. I shouldn't have said that, okay? Alright, give me 1 sec. New integration. Alright, Twitter account. Save. Oh, oops. Tornado warnings. Righty here. Save. Alrighty, that is saved. That is all good. Set to go. Sweet. Let's go. Alrighty. Let's get back into the weather here. Does anybody have any places they would like me to check for weather here? I would be more than happy to check. Anybody? Listening? I'm listening. Would anybody like it? Anything? Alrighty, we'll take a look at some of these severe thunderstorm warnings. And then after that, I think I'm going to be done streaming for now. I might come back later if things start to fire up again. But we will just have to wait and see. But we're not finished with the stream yet. Not yet. There might be a little rotation on that one. I don't know. Let's take a look at this Kansas cell. It's broken. Texas. Alrighty, nothing too concerning there. Here's going to be our tornado warning storm 2. Alrighty, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope things are starting to die down a little bit, tornadic-wise. Thank you all for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe. We will, if things start to fire up again tonight, we might be streaming. I can't tell you we will be streaming tomorrow on the major main day outbreak that we'll be having tomorrow.